The intricate world of your gut, often referred to as your second brain, is home to trillions of microorganisms, a bustling ecosystem known as the gut microbiome. The balance of this ecosystem profoundly influences your health. Our first secret to enhancing this vital system naturally is to prioritize a diverse diet. Think of your gut microbiome as a garden. A wide variety of plants creates a robust and resilient ecosystem. Similarly, consuming a broad spectrum of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes introduces diverse types of dietary fiber, which different beneficial bacteria thrive upon. Each type of plant food offers a unique blend of prebiotics, indigestible fibers that act as food for your gut microbes. Imagine feeding your microscopic allies their favorite meals, encouraging them to multiply and flourish. This diversity is paramount because different bacterial strains have distinct functions, collectively contributing to nutrient absorption, vitamin synthesis, and the production of beneficial short-chain fatty acids. So, instead of sticking to the same few vegetables, challenge yourself to try a new fruit or vegetable each week. Your gut will thank you for the variety, and the payoff is a more resilient and functional digestive system. Our second tip is incredibly simple yet powerful: increase your fiber intake gradually. Fiber is the cornerstone of gut health, but a sudden drastic increase can lead to discomfort. Think of it as introducing a new food to a sensitive stomach. By slowly upping your intake of fiber-rich foods like oats, apples, lentils, and broccoli, you allow your gut microbes time to adapt and multiply, preventing bloating and gas. This gentle approach ensures your digestive system can efficiently process the fiber, leading to smoother digestion and regular bowel movements. It's about being kind to your gut as it learns to handle more of this essential nutrient. Third, embrace fermented foods. These are living powerhouses, teeming with beneficial bacteria. Think of yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, kombucha, and tempeh. These foods introduce live, active cultures directly into your gut, helping to replenish and diversify your microbiome. Imagine a natural probiotic supplement, but in a delicious, food-based form. Regular consumption can bolster your existing beneficial bacteria, enhancing digestion, nutrient absorption, and even immune function. It's a delightful way to actively cultivate a healthy gut environment. Our fourth secret focuses on hydration, hydration, hydration. Water is not just for thirst, it's fundamental for every bodily process, especially digestion. Adequate water intake keeps your digestive tract moving smoothly, preventing constipation and aiding in the absorption of nutrients. Imagine a well-lubricated internal highway. Without enough water, traffic jams occur. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day, and more if you're active or in a warm climate. Sometimes, simply increasing your water intake can resolve minor digestive woes surprisingly quickly. Fifth, consider mindful eating. In our fast-paced world, eating can become a rushed, unconscious act. However, how you eat is almost as important as what you eat. Slow down. Chew your food thoroughly. This isn't just a polite gesture, it's the first crucial step in digestion. Chewing breaks down food into smaller particles, making it easier for enzymes in your stomach and small intestine to work efficiently. It also signals to your brain that food is coming, preparing your digestive system for optimal function. Imagine giving your gut a head start, rather than dumping a large, unprepared load on it. This simple practice reduces the burden on your digestive organs and can significantly minimize discomfort like indigestion and bloating. Sixth, make a conscious effort to reduce processed foods and added sugars. These are often devoid of fiber and beneficial nutrients, while being loaded with ingredients that can disrupt your gut microbiome. Think of high-fructose corn syrup, artificial sweeteners, and excessive refined carbohydrates. These substances can feed harmful bacteria, leading to an imbalance in your gut ecosystem, potentially causing inflammation and digestive issues. It's like inviting disruptive guests to your gut party. By minimizing their presence, you create a more hospitable environment for the good guys. 7th, harness the power of prebiotic-rich foods. While probiotics introduce beneficial bacteria, prebiotics are the non-digestible fibers that feed them. Think of them as the fertilizer for your gut garden. Examples include garlic, onions, leeks, asparagus, bananas, and oats. Incorporating these foods regularly ensures your beneficial bacteria have a consistent food supply, allowing them to thrive and perform their essential functions, like producing short-chain fatty acids that nourish your gut lining. 8th, be strategic about stress management. The gut-brain axis is a powerful two-way street. Chronic stress can wreak havoc on your digestive system, altering gut motility, increasing inflammation, and even changing the composition of your microbiome. Imagine your gut tensing up in response to mental pressure. Practices like meditation, yoga, deep breathing exercises, or even spending time in nature can significantly reduce stress levels, which in turn calms your gut. It's a surprising but potent connection. A calm mind often leads to a calm gut. 9th, explore the benefits of herbal teas for digestion. Certain herbs have long been used to soothe and support the digestive system. Peppermint tea can alleviate indigestion and gas, while ginger tea is excellent for nausea and bloating. Chamomile tea can calm stomach cramps and promote relaxation, which, as we've discussed, is beneficial for the gut. These natural remedies offer a gentle, yet effective, way to address minor digestive discomforts and promote overall gut harmony. 10th, consider cooking from scratch more often. When you cook at home, you have complete control over the ingredients, allowing you to avoid excessive processed elements, unhealthy fats, and hidden sugars that can harm your gut. It's also an opportunity to experiment with a wider variety of whole foods and incorporate fresh herbs and spices that can have their own gut-boosting properties. This empowers you to truly nourish your gut with wholesome, tailor-made meals. 11th, be mindful of antibiotic use. While antibiotics are life-saving medications, they don't discriminate between good and bad bacteria. They can decimate your beneficial gut flora along with the harmful pathogens. If antibiotics are necessary, discuss with your doctor how to best support your gut during and after treatment, perhaps with a high-quality probiotic supplement taken at a separate time from the antibiotic dose. The goal is to minimize collateral damage and help your gut rebound faster. 12th, engage in regular physical activity. Exercise isn't just good for your muscles and heart, it also has a profound positive impact on gut motility and the diversity of your microbiome. Think of it as gently massaging your internal organs and encouraging healthy circulation. Even moderate activities like walking, cycling, or swimming can contribute to a healthier gut, reducing transit time and promoting a balanced bacterial ecosystem. It's another powerful reminder of how interconnected our body systems are. 13th, limit artificial sweeteners. While they seem like a healthy alternative to sugar, research suggests that certain artificial sweeteners can negatively impact the gut microbiome, potentially altering the balance of bacteria and contributing to glucose intolerance in some individuals. It's a surprising twist for many, highlighting that sugar-free doesn't automatically equate to gut-friendly. Opt for natural sweetness from fruits or small amounts of honey or maple syrup if needed. 14th, consider a probiotic supplement wisely. While fermented foods are excellent, a high-quality, targeted probiotic supplement can offer a concentrated dose of specific beneficial bacterial strains, especially if you're dealing with specific digestive issues or recovering from antibiotic use. However, not all probiotics are created equal. Consult with a healthcare professional to determine if a supplement is right for you and which strains might be most beneficial for your unique needs. It's not a magic pill, but a thoughtful addition when appropriate. 15th, chew your food thoroughly, revisited. This point is so vital it deserves a second mention, highlighting its foundational importance. The act of chewing mechanically breaks down food, reducing the workload on your stomach and small intestine. Saliva, released during chewing, also contains enzymes that begin the chemical digestion process. Imagine giving your digestive system a head start, rather than forcing it to break down large chunks of food. This significantly reduces the chances of indigestion, bloating, and gas, making digestion a much smoother experience. 16th, manage your alcohol intake. Excessive alcohol consumption can irritate the gut lining, disrupt the balance of gut bacteria, and impair nutrient absorption. It's a direct irritant that can lead to inflammation and increased gut permeability, sometimes referred to as leaky gut. Moderation is key. By reducing your alcohol intake, you give your gut a chance to heal and maintain its delicate balance, promoting a healthier digestive environment. 17th, incorporate collagen-rich foods or supplements. Collagen is the most abundant protein in your body and a major component of connective tissues, including the lining of your digestive tract. Bone broth is a fantastic natural source of collagen. Consuming collagen may help support the integrity of your gut lining, potentially reducing gut permeability and soothing inflammation. Think of it as providing structural support to the intestinal wall, helping to maintain its protective barrier. 18th, get enough sleep. Just like stress, insufficient sleep can negatively impact your gut health. Poor sleep patterns can disrupt the gut microbiome and increase gut permeability. Your body uses sleep as a crucial time for repair and regeneration, and this extends to your digestive system. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep per night to allow your gut to rest, repair, and maintain its optimal function. It's a silent yet powerful contributor to a healthy gut. 19th, listen to your body's signals. Your gut often communicates with you through various sensations: bloating, gas, pain, or changes in bowel habits. These are not random occurrences, they are messages from your digestive system. Learning to tune in and understand these signals can help you identify trigger foods or lifestyle factors that negatively impact your gut. It's about becoming a detective of your own digestive health, empowering you to make informed choices. 20th, practice portion control. Overeating can put undue stress on your digestive system, leading to indigestion and discomfort. Your stomach has a finite capacity, and constantly overfilling it can overwhelm the digestive enzymes and create an environment ripe for imbalance. Eating smaller, more frequent meals can be gentler on your gut, allowing for more efficient digestion and nutrient absorption. It's about giving your digestive system a manageable workload. 21st, avoid eating too close to bedtime. Eating a large meal right before sleep can disrupt digestion and lead to discomfort, as your body is trying to rest and repair, not actively digest. Give your digestive system a break by finishing your last meal a few hours before you go to bed. This allows for proper digestion and can prevent issues like acid reflux and indigestion, promoting a more restful sleep and a healthier gut environment. 22nd, explore the benefits of digestive enzymes. For some individuals, particularly as they age or if they have specific conditions, the body may not produce enough digestive enzymes to properly break down food. Over-the-counter digestive enzyme supplements can help. These supplements aid in the breakdown of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, making them easier to absorb and reducing digestive discomfort. This is an area where consulting a healthcare professional is particularly valuable to determine if enzyme supplementation is appropriate for you. 23rd, manage medications with your doctor. Beyond antibiotics, other medications, including NSAIDs, non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, and proton pump inhibitors, PPIs, for acid reflux, can sometimes impact gut health. NSAIDs can irritate the gut lining, while PPIs can alter stomach acid levels, potentially affecting the balance of bacteria. If you are on long-term medication, Discuss potential gut-related side effects and strategies to mitigate them with your doctor. It's about being informed and proactive in your health management. 24th, include healthy fats in your diet. While unhealthy fats can be detrimental, healthy fats, such as those found in avocados, olive oil, nuts, and seeds, are crucial for overall health, including gut health. They can help with the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins and play a role in reducing inflammation. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fatty fish like salmon, are particularly beneficial for their anti-inflammatory properties, which extend to the gut lining. It's about discerning between beneficial fats and those that can cause harm. And finally, our 25th tip: cultivate a positive relationship with food. Food should be a source of nourishment and enjoyment, not stress or anxiety. Developing a healthy relationship with what you eat, free from guilt or excessive restriction, can positively impact your digestive system. When you approach meals with a relaxed mindset, your body is better able to digest and absorb nutrients. It's a holistic approach, recognizing that your emotional state significantly influences your gut's performance.